Every smartphone begins its journey inside one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities, where precision and innovation meet. Every titanium frame is machined with extraordinary precision, creating a foundation that's both lightweight and remarkably strong.
Automated assembly systems install thousands of microscopic components in just seconds, forming the heart of every device.
Multiple robotic systems work together in perfect harmony, assembling every smartphone with exceptional consistency. Even the camera system is installed using laser-guided robotics, ensuring flawless alignment every single time. Before leaving the factory, every smartphone undergoes rigorous automated testing to meet strict quality standards. Finally, each device is carefully packaged and prepared for its journey to customers around the world. From raw materials to cutting-edge technology, millions of smartphones begin their journey here, powered by innovation, automation, and precision engineering.